to ask start LAQ number 4C.
The answer is as per cyclostag.
Speaker sir, हो प्रश्न असा हो फक्त मडगांवचो ना, हो संपूर्ण दक्षिण गोंयचो प्रश्न, दक्षिण गोंयच्या लोकांचो प्रश्न. एक गजाल रिप्लाय वाचतकीर म्हज्या लक्षांत आयलें की रिप्लाय जो हेल्थ मिनिस्टरान दिला तो एटलिस्ट स्टॅटिस्टिकली करेक्ट आसा, म्हणजे कांय हें करूं ना, लिपोवन दवरपाचो प्रश्न करूं ना, खंय तरी सगळें सारकें आसा असो दाखोवपाचो प्रयत्न करूं ना. स्पीकर सर, एका वटेन नव्या हॉस्पिटलाचो प्रश्न येता. नवें हॉस्पिटल कंप्लीट जावपाक कदाचित टायम लागतलो, आनी वर्स लागत, 2 वर्सां लागत, सांगपाक जायना. पूण म्हाका दिसता सरकाराचें कर्तव्य आसा नवें हॉस्पिटल कंप्लीट जाय पर्यंत आसा तें हॉस्पिटल, ताजी सर्विसीस, ताजे कंडिशन्स इम्प्रूव करप अत्यंत गरजेचें आसा. म्हणजे फाटीं एक इन्सिडेंट जालो स्पीकर सर, एक रेलिंग कॉलेप्स जालें, ते बायलेच्या तकलेर पडलें. फॉर्च्युनेटली तें डायरेक्ट पडलें ना, डायरेक्ट पडलें जाल्यार ताणें पळयलां, डायरेक्ट पडलें जाल्यार शी वूड हॅव डायड ऑन द स्पॉट. तें सकयल पत्र्याचेर पडलें आनी मागीर तिचेर पडलें. नेक्स्ट डे हेल्थ मिनिस्टर विजिटेड द सायट आनी देन ही रियलायज दॅट द स्टेज कशें तें पथेटीक कंडिशन आहा, कॉलम कसो पेड्ड्यार जाला, बीम कशें पेड्ड्यार जाला, आनी ही हॅड गिवन सम इन्स्ट्रक्शन. आय डोंट नो वेदर दोज इन्स्ट्रक्शन्स आर फॉलो टू वॅकेट दॅट वॉर्ड, कारण तो कॉलम पडलो आनी ते बीम पडलें जाल्यार तो वार्ड सकयल येतलो, जातूंत भितर ते डायलिसीस चलता, तो वार्डूच सकयल येतलो.
केसी घालून ताका बिजी दवरता.
That is separate. That you don't link that to this question. But the instruction जे दिल्ली to vacate that this, whether that has been implemented, हे एक जालें. Secondly, तुझो रिप्लाय पळय आसा, तुज्या स्टॅटिस्टिकल डेटा पळय तुजे आसा, त्यो स्टॅटिस्टिकल डेटा पळयले जाल्यार लक्षांत येता पेशंट्साच हॉस्पिसें कितले येता ते. म्हणजे हांवें ते तुवें दिल्लो तो स्टॅटिस्टिक्स डेटा काडलो स्पीकर सर, आनी तो डेटा काडटकीर लक्षांत आयलें पयलीं म्हणजे सँक्शन स्ट्रेंथ ही सामकी कमी आसा. थंय एवरेज वर्साक 33,000 पेशंट हे एडमीट जाता हॉस्पिसें. म्हणजे हांव नकळो मिनिस्टरान पळयलां आसतलें, म्हणजे ताज्या स्टॅटिस्टिक्स सांगता वर्साक टोटल, म्हणजे अशें ज्या टोटल ताजोच रिप्लाय आसा हांगा, ते पळयलें जाल्यार म्हयन्याक, म्हणजे हांव कित्या खातीर सांगता, एका वटेन ओपीडी आसा, ओपीडीचे यू सी द फिगर्स, पेशंट कितले ओपीडीक हें करता ते. दुसरे वटेन पळयलें जाल्यार तुगेले कॅज्युअलिटी आसा, कॅज्युअलिटीक तुजे जवळ जवळ दिसाक 120 पेशंट कॅज्युअलिटीक येतात. दिसाक ट्रिटेड इन ओपीडी 500 पेशंट पर डे ओपीडीक येतात. तुजे डॉक्टर्स आसा ती स्ट्रेंथन ना, मेडिकल ऑफिसर्स कमी आसा, कन्सल्टंट्स कमी आसा.
स्पेसिफिक एक प्रश्न
bring to his notice a specific question, and at least I have to tell him based on statistics what is the situation. Otherwise to mandala no yes जालें काबार. This is the question. हे म्हणजे हांव मडगांवचे
विचारात म्हाका काय ना, तुमकां उत्तर मेळपाक जाय म्हणून सांगता.
सर, आज परिस्थिती अशी आसा की थंय डॉक्टर्स ना, डॉक्टर्साची शॉर्टेज आहा. यू विल एडमीट नर्सीची शॉर्टेज आहा. तुजी सँक्शन स्ट्रेंथ केन्नाची हांव नकळो. थंय पेशंट हाडलो जाल्यार पेशंटाक पळोवपाक दोतोर नासता. आमकां लोक पेशंटाचे सोयरे फोन मारता, दोतोर कोण अजून येवना, कारण दोतोर शॉर्ट आसा थंय. ते दोतोर थंय ओवरलोडेड जाता. तुजें लिफ्ट चलना, तुजो स्कॅन चलना. म्हणजे म्हाका दिसता मोर दॅन 2 वर्सां तुवें हाडिल्लो आसतलो तो त्या वेळाचेर नवो स्कॅन, तुजे वेळार घाल्लो आसतलो तो. ताजे फाटल्यान कितें जालें हांव नकळो. दॅट स्कॅन इज नॉट वर्किंग इवन टुडे. यू हॅव ऑल्सो एडमिटेड इन युअर रिप्लाय दॅट स्कॅन इज नॉट वर्किंग. सिन्स वेन इट इज नॉट वर्किंग अँड वाय नो स्टेप्स वर इनिशिएटेड टू रिप्लेस द स्कॅन. म्हणजे कितें जालां स्पीकर सर, हॉस्पिसियो हॉस्पिटल टुडे इज फंक्शनींग लायक ए पोस्ट ऑफिस. म्हणजे हांव एग्जाम्पल दिता, हांव नकळो इजिदोराचें कशी पोजिशन आहा थंय. काणकोणच्यान समज एक एक्सिडेंट जालो, काणकोणचे एक्सिडेंट क्रिटिकल कंडिशनांत ताका हॉस्पिसी हाडटा. क्लोजेस्ट हॉस्पिटल इज हॉस्पिसियो हॉस्पिटल. थंय न्युरोसर्जन ना, थंय स्कॅन ना. मागीर कितें करप ताका काडटात, दवरतात, एम्बुलन्स सोदतात, एम्बुलन्स येय पर्यंत आनी एक 2-3 वरां थंय रावतात, ताका घालता एम्बुलन्सी, हाडटा जीएमसी. दिस इज द सिच्युएशन. And that is why I want that at least till the new hospital is commissioned, will you take steps to improve the functioning of this hospicio hospital, what I have mentioned to you and what your reply has given me. Your reply clear ha, lift chalna, scan na, bed seats na, bed seats ताणें एडमीट केलां की बेड सीट जीएमसीन धाडटा धुवपाक आनी थंय बेड शॉर्टेज आहा. हांव एक दीस म्हजो एक कार्यकर्तो आयलो, आपली भयण म्हणून पावलो, डिलिव्हरी जाल्या हॉस्पिसे भितर, तूं मातसो येवन पळय कंडिशन. हांव गेलो पळोवपाक, तर मॅटर्निटी वार्ड इज ओवरलोडेड. 2 बेड एक करतात आनी 3 बायलांक न्हिदयतात. स्पीकर सर, यू जस्ट इमॅजिन, ती मदली पळय म्हजे कार्यकर्त्याची कोण भयण आशिल्ली ती मदीं न्हिदिली. ती म्हाका पळयल्यार पांय पडपाक लागले. आपल्या पांय पडटा म्हणटा आपल्या हांगाच्यान काड म्हणटा, मदली न्हिदय नाका, जमनीर न्हिदता म्हणटा. कारण ती म्हणटा रातची जर आपल्या उठचें पडलें, आपले सायडीचे 2 पेशंट आहा पळय ते आपल्या उठपा दिना. ती म्हणटा न्हीद, फाल्यां सकाळीं पळोवया. कितें करप कितें? हें सिच्युएशन आसा थंय. हांव सांगता हें इम्प्रूव कर. आय हॅव नो, तूं नवें हॉस्पिटल आनी लेट जाल्यार जाता, पूण हें कंडिशन आसा. अनलेस यू पूट पर्सनल अटेन्शन दीस वील नॉट इम्प्रूव. अशें म्हजें क्लियर हें आसा.
Speaker sir, I totally understand the sentiments of Mr. Digambar Kamath. The other day when the railing fell, I and Mr. Digambar Kamath both visited the hospital. We had a review meeting, and after that I spent little time in Hospicio. I just want to draw your attention that these beds, you mentioned about the bed sheets. Now the bed sheets, why they are going to Goa Medical Colleges, initially it was proposed that there will be a centralized laundry, which is already been cleared, and we will be sending on a regular basis all the bed sheets and centralized. We are having a centralized laundry, so it will be on par with any other outside laundry, so that clean, hygienic clothes, not only clothes that the patients wear, will go back to Hospicio. I have recently, on a regular 3-day basis, I get a mail every day from Hospicio, exactly the number of admissions that take place in Hospicio, what is the situation in Hospicio. I have added additional doctors in Hospicio, and as Honorable Member has himself said, we, in our answers, I have given a comprehensive answer of exactly what is happening in Hospicio, because there is nothing to hide as far as the Hospicio functioning is concerned. Honorable Member raised concern that the new hospital should get ready. We all want that the new hospital should get ready. It is proposed somewhere in May 2018, but till then, we are ensuring that you have additional doctors. Already I have posted and taken out surplus doctors from different parts to put them and make them available in Hospicio. We don't want people to move from Hospicio and just be dumped onto Goa Medical College. But as you have said, there is tremendous amount of load on the gynec section, pediatric section and all in Hospicio. And as far as the Hospicio figures, I just want to draw, correct Honorable Minister, Honorable Member, is the sanction. If you look this, you can't look at the what is Indian Public Services Standards. Because here the load is much higher than what. If we go by the norms and I justify, I am not justifying. If I justify, I am surplus of doctors, but that is not the point. Point is we need doctors. So how do we get the doctors? Now, actually the present strength is 59, vacant posts of vacant posts of consultants is 16. So you can imagine what is the shortfall. And as a result of which, as you have mentioned, I just want to, the shortfall of nurses is 13, admissions per day is around 100, and OPD per day is between 650 to 750. So load referrals to GMC is less than 1%. So that concept that everything is going to Goa Medical College, and these are the figures which I am monitoring on a day-to-day, I can share with Honorable Member from the day I become Minister. Every day's mail and report from Hospicio and Asilo is being specifically monitored by me. As far as the CT scan, goes, the CT scan, they have already done a buyback with Siemens. They have done a buyback with Siemens, and that machine is expected to come by the first week of August. The machine is supposed to be commissioned by them, and they said it is being imported. Already order has been placed. This will be placed in in the hospital, and I think by end of August we should be able to commission this machine. This has already been purchased. And as far as the lifts are concerned, both the lifts are working. And I want to also draw the attention of Honorable Member Shri Digambar Kamath is that as far as the manpower is concerned, now what I give you is the sanction strength of 59 less 16. No, I'll just draw your attention to one point. In addition, we have got 7 doctors under contract under NRHM posted there, and we have got another 12 staff nurses in addition to the sanction strength of the hospital. The load is tremendous on Hospicio. And I am in constant touch with Dr. Aira on a regular basis. How she says she needs another 3 to 4 doctors to see that everything is streamlined. Now, if I have to pull out these doctors, I have to get these doctors from other PHC or CHC. So I have a shortage of doctors. We are in the process of recruiting more doctors to see that Hospicio functions. But one thing I will assure you, that from wherever I have to provide those 3 to 4 additional doctors what she requires, I will do it in the next, now the code is applicable, but I don't know whether we can get exemption.
Only for North Goa.
No. So we will provide you another 3 to 4 doctors in Hospicio so that all your things are streamlined. And also you mentioned the bed sheets. She has got enough stocks of bed sheet.
See, Speaker sir.
And they're all hygienic. I have been inspecting Hospicio regularly.
These are small issues. Now bed sheet. You purchase more bed sheets and give there.
There is no shortage of bed sheets.
तुम्ही पेशंटाक तांगे ते पेशंटाक म्हणटा तुमची बेडशीट घेवन या म्हणून बरें न्हिदपा जाल्यार
No, I would like to correct honorable
कोण
member.
वतलो हॉस्पिटल
No, I would like to just draw attention of Mr. Kamath is that I have given strict instructions that earlier they used to replace bed sheets only on Wednesday and on Saturday. I have said that every day bed sheet should be changed. There is no shortfall of money as far as purchase of bed sheets is concerned, and the reason why it goes to GMC, and it will be going in future to GMC, because we are putting a centralized laundry there, so that we have everything is done in a proper manner. Today, your problem why you feel the bed sheets are torn because the setup in that laundry is very bad, and in order to improve it, we have gone for outsourcing.
He has given a categorical assurance that the scan will be commissioned by end of August.
स्कॅनाची ऑर्डर दिल्या नाही ऑर्डर इज गिवन ऑलरेडी
I'll just
स्कॅना लागून सारखे हँडिकॅप
ते तू आता तुझं एश्युरन्स मागता पळय जे ताज्या हातान
that is okay, but at least he has said that
order is issued.
now will you take steps to appoint a neurosurgeon there as on contract basis?
It's not about appointing a neurosurgeon. I examined this
on
point.
Consultant you appoint some.
I can appoint a consultant, but definitely in the present setup of hospital, I would like to draw the attention, honorable member. आयच्या परिस्थितीत जर हांव वाळपय जर न्यूरोसर्जन वचून बसयत आनी ह्या हॉस्पिटल ह्या सेटअपान न्यूरोसर्जन जर उपलब्ध केले तो थंय सर्जरी करूं शकना तेका जो ना
scan येतगेर
ना scan
who will read the scan?
No, I agree with you when you need a radiologist to read a scan. Neurosurgeon and consultant which you are requesting, even if I put a consultant or neurosurgery person there, he cannot operate in today's auspicio. That is the factual position. And that's why Honorable Chief Minister has also been monitoring the new hospital which is there. You are aware of the whole situation. You are aware about the plans. No, I'll just draw your attention. It's easy for us to say we will put the doctor available there. But you need a radiologist there. Continuous radiologist, so that I will put a radiologist. I will make sure and I assure you that it will be done.
जो बेसिक प्रश्न कितें स्पीकर सर मडगांवचे सोडूनच दी त्या भायर भायले सगळे लोक आतां हांवें सांगिल्लें एक्झाम्पल काणकोणचें दिलें सांग्यावेलें दिलें थंयच्या लोकांक पयलीं हॉस्पिटल हाडटा न्ही प्राण वाचोवपा खातीर आनी तें हॉस्पिटल काडटा आनी 2 वरां दवरून 3 वरां दवरून ताका पणजे धाडटा देन देर इज नो पॉयंट न्ही म्हणून हांव ताका सांगता तें कितें आतां फॉर एग्जाम्पल पोस्टमार्टम करपाक तो दोतोर पुजारी म्हणटा तो रिटायर जाला कितें तरी अरेंजमेंट करा मरे न्हय पोस्टमार्टम करपाक प्रत्येक खेपे आमकां लोक फोन मारता
हय I am fully in agreement with the sentiments of the Honorable Minister, but I just also want to draw the attention of the House that Auspicio is a very critical place which is affecting all the people of South Goa. On a day-to-day basis, we are monitoring it, whatever we can do, how to manage the existing setup. What you are mentioning is that every day there is a doctor going from Goa Medical College to do the postmortems in that you are aware of the case where the doctor was suspended, so we need to put her under training. We are trying to look into the file and send her for training so that she can be brought back. I am now addressing these issues. So because in the past this lady didn't want to do postmortem, so let me just understand that issue and resolve it. But there is a doctor every day, associate professor from Goa Medical College, who is doing the postmortems in Auspicio.
One last. One is that at the orthopedic operation जाता पळय थंय तांचे कडेन कांयच ना म्हणटात ते रॉड ना म्हणटात प्लेट ना म्हणटात तांकां म्हणटात भायल्यान हाडा मेडिसिन्स आतां crores of rupees are spent on medicines. I don't know what is happening. ते बारीक सुद्दां मेडिसिन जाल्यार ते म्हणटा पेशंटाक भायल्यान हांव समज कोणा पेशंटाक पळोवपाक गेलो थंय 7-8 पेशंट मेळटात वळखीचे तो रोखडोच मागीर म्हणटा पात्रांव पळय मरे रिसीट दिल्या मातशें कितें आमकां हेल्प कर मरे पळय भायल्यान हाडचें पडटा म्हणटा अशी परिस्थिती येवपाक जायना.
Speaker sir, म्हाका तरी lately I have not heard of anything in hospital. I don't know if Honorable Minister comes, somebody says to get the rod from outside, please please, I'm saying if any case comes to you,
I'll bring
please call me up directly because there is no shortage of any of these stuff and medicines are ample in supply.
Nilesh Cabral.
Speaker sir, Honorable Minister and Honorable colleague MLA were very good in discussing amongst themselves. But Speaker sir, I would like to bring to the notice of the Honorable Minister that the new hospital which is monitoring in Auspicio, instead of Auspicio, at the district hospital which is connected to a lot of South Goa, is being monitored by Honorable CM and Minister himself, and it is going to complete maybe 6 months, 8 months, 1 year. But I want Honorable Minister to come on record today that he has to also ask ARD for the new hospital, what is the requirement to study right now? Because if you do that, when you commission the new hospital, you will not have any doctors and nurses there because it is an extended hospital. It is not the same hospital which is there, which is being transferred here. It is being extended. There are more beds, more things to be done there. So I am asking you to tell Honorable CM and you to put to ARD, I will not speak because I have already spoken on that. So please tell ARD to start now, so that when we inaugurate the hospital, at least everything falls in place. Otherwise, again, there will be comments on this. Speaker, sir, that is my thing, not only in Hospicio, in all the other things. Kepe also it has started, Kuchara also is going to happen. So all hospitals, please instruct and give them a time frame manner, because you are going to start this hospital within the next 6 months, 1 year, 1.5 years. So just kindly consider my request of telling ARD to go and look into the requirements in the future and create this post. Thank you, Speaker, sir.
Yes. Speaker, sir. I have already, we are in process, but I want to make a correction that the posts that have been here proposed by the Public Health Department need correction. These are not, you need much more posts and you need much more consultants there. You have to follow different norms, because if you look by go by the designation of the exact hospital and type of hospitals that we are building in Goa, these hospitals don't fit in any definition in the Government of India norms. You can't go by those definitions and Indian Public Service Standard, those whatever they mentioned. We require more than what is there. That issue is being already resolved with Honorable Chief Minister. He has been spending a lot of time, hospital by hospital, constituency by constituency, to see how to take it forward. And I assure you, in this next 2-3 months, the time that Honorable Chief Minister is spending, we will take them hospital to hospital, will take up the issue and resolve it. We have to resolve it. We cannot start a hospital without having those posts, because definitely you cannot shift there without those posts. So I will sit with Honorable Chief Minister, take his advice, his views, and then have a joint meeting with ERD. He has been actually spending a couple of hours with us on every issue, and I'll take it forward with him.
No, you will have to sit with these people and get it done. That's only my request. Because I know how their system works in ARD. Their name is nice, it looks nice, but it does not actually happen.
I assure the member I'll sit with Honorable Chief Minister.
Sri Alex Reginaldo Lorenzo.
Speaker, sir, I just want to ask the Honorable Minister, what about the morgue? Morgue, ती अजून देखो आमकां खूब त्रास जातात. We have to send to ID, we have to send to this hospital. What about the morgue?
Honorable member is giving wrong information to the House. I am monitoring the morgue on a regular basis, and that morgue is fully functional. There was one cabinet which was not functioning. There were unknown bodies which were there. That's as a result of which the full 20 cabinets were filled up to capacity. But now the respective collectors have taken appropriate action. And at the moment, as of today, we have around 9 cabinets which are available for utilization, and we are keeping a strict watch. And on a weekly basis, the collectors are helping us to see that these bodies are disposed of. And the morgue which is there is fully functional. I have visited it thrice along with with Dr. Aira, and this morgue, there is no problem whatsoever. Every cabinet is fully functional.
Isidore Fernandez.
Speaker, sir, my colleague already asked about Kankona, but I am saying, when will that new hospital be ready? Because why I am saying, because आमचे काणकोणासान मडगांव येयला म्हणजे पेशंट घेवन अर्दे वाटेक थोडे मरता कित्याक तिका आमचेंच हॉस्पिटल सारकें फंक्शन जायना काणकोणा. No doctors, nothing is there, no medicine also. From there they bring to Margaon. Margaon 1 minute सांगता चल पणजे व्हर, and all the workload is on Panjim hospital. When are you going to start the new hospital?
Because I would like to tell the honourable member, has written a comprehensive letter to me regarding Kankon. This is not related to Kankon, but I am just making a passing
strict hospital only.
Is that we have sent a team twice, not once, to address every issue of yours. And whatever resources I have at the moment, we are trying to see that we uniformly spread it out. And second thing is that as far as this hospital is concerned, the proposed date given by GSID is May 2018. Maybe plus minus here and there, because internal work hospital does take a little time. But tentative date which is there, which cannot be considered as the actual date, but tentative date is May 2018.
At least they should inform when they come for inspection. Yes. Concern MLA.
Because when you are running a department, sometimes quietly you have to also send a team and there and assess what is happening. Every time there cannot be somebody involved. If I am coming there, I will inform you for sure. There is no issue. But when a team is going to assess what are the problems of the hospital, let them go and do their job, because they have to go and do their job and report to me. And minute I got your letter, I reverted to you also saying that I have received your letter and we are immediately acting on it. Dr. Rajnana Desai, who's in my office, and also the Director of Health Services. I have made sure that every Thursday they visit different hospitals to assess what is happening and minute every meeting what they have with the health officer. So I know by mail every day what is the shortfall. For your information, every day I receive a mail from every hospital, the number of patients they have treated, what is the medicine, not coming through Director of Health Services. Directly the health officer has to send a mail to me. And I read that mail and initially on an everyday basis, so I know exactly what is the shortfalls and what is happening. A result of which also we have taken some actions against doctors for not intending medicines, and so that sufficient, whatever the people require, that all is monitored and taken care of.
Speaker sir, भाषणाचेर येयल्ल्या प्रमाणे 33,000 लोक एक वर्साक हॉस्पिटलांत येतात. हांव कितें म्हणटालो, म्हगे एक सजेशन आहे हावजाक, जे नेबरींग इस्टेट पळय आहा, नेबरींग इस्टेट पळय आहा, तो लोक चड आमगेले ह्या हॉस्पिटलांत येतात. आमचो गोंयकारा तरी कोणाक एक बेड जाय जाल्यार तिका मेळना. पूण हांव म्हणटा हेजेर कितें तरी उपाय काडपा जायो, कित्याक जे आमचे हे सगळें फ्री मेळटा म्हूण नेबर इस्टेटीचो लोक चड हिंगा. आनी प्रॉब्लेम म्हणटा ते हांव तरी हॉस्पिटलांत एका म्हयन्याक 4 पाट तरी आहाच सगळ्या हॉस्पिटलांनी. पूण प्रॉब्लेम कितें जाला, ते पळय बेड पळय चादर बादर म्हणटा तेजें खबर सांगना आनी कळ्ळें, सांगपा नाका सायबा. तिसरो पॉयंट बेडशीट बी म्हणटी. पूण मारगांव पळय हॉस्पिटल आहा, तो हेल्थ सेंटर आसना गांवांनी, तें कोंता पडो आहा. खंयचे कोणो तरी गेलो, एम्बुलन्स आहा भायरी धाडो, अरे कितें थिंग कांय घेवन इवन तुगेलो कोण एक मनीस थिंग आसा एटेंड जायना, तो हेल्थ सेंटर जाल्ल्या पाहिजे. अदी बरें हेल्थ सेंटर दवर येता आनी तो न्यू हॉस्पिटल तेंसा जाय घाल. कित्याक हांवें चोयले ते प्रमाणे थिंगा कांय एटेंडन्स हें कोण एटेंड कोन्ना लोकांक. हांव सांगता आतां आमची हिंगा बांबोली पळय ते सारकें बरें चलता.
लेट मिनिस्टर आन्सर.
पूण हांव मागतां स्पिकर सर, जे पण नेबर इस्टेट पळय आहा तो लोक इतली एडवांटेज घेता आमच्या हॉस्पिटलाची, आनी आमच्या लोकांक थिंगा बेड मेळना. सो ताका लागून तो नेबरींग इस्टेटी कोण लोक येतात, ताका कितें तरी उपाय घेवपा जाय.
बिकॉज सर नेबरींग स्टेटचे जे लोक येतात तांकां ट्रिटमेंट दिवचीच पडटा. पूण गोंयच्या लोकांक अशी ट्रिटमेंट गांवांना अशी परिस्थिती ना. पूण तुमी जे सांगता ते कायदो सुप्रीम कोर्टाचो आसा सगळ्यांक इक्वल ट्रिटमेंट दिवचे. सो दे हॅव टू ट्रीट देम ऑल्सो. गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेजचो लोड तसोच आहा. भायलो लोक येता
बंद कर म्हणा, हांव बंद कर म्हणा.
पूण कितें
कालचो एक्सिडेंट जाता स्पिकर सर, कालचो एक्सिडेंट कालचो मुगेलो एक सारको नेबर, ताका सारको एक एडे गेला, पॅरलायज जाला, ताका व्हीलचॅराचेर गांदोला आनी त्याला बेड ना. ते म्हळ्यार बेडीचेर सगळो लोक बोलो आहा. आनी बरीचे बेड लोक नांव दी म्हळ्यार खंयची नांवां सगळे नेबर. हय नेबर स्टेट सगळे कोण कारवारचे, रत्नागिरीचे, त्याडीचे. पूण गोंयचे लोकां तरी हे भाशेन तरी कितें तरी आमच्या कितें तरी आमी उपाय घेवपा जायो. नाजाल्यार हॉस्पिटल कित्याक ते आमकां नेबरीचे धरपाचें. हांव म्हणा सुप्रीम कोर्टा कायदा हुंच कायद कर, पूण कायद्याचेर कितें तरी बसय गोंयकारां बसत.
बिकॉज सर एक हांव सांगूंक सोदता, आय वूड जस्ट लायक टू मेन्शन ऑन द फ्लोर ऑफ द हावस. ऑनरेबल Mr. Kamath had raised the issue during his question, and Mr. Churchill has also mentioned that one thing I would like to mention on the floor of that staff that is there in Auspicio, maybe few here and there, but overall we have tried to sensitize them, and I am getting a excellent feedback as far as they are concerned, and we are monitoring them. But I would also like to draw the attention of the members. If you have any kind of a negative experience or anything, directly share it with me. I'll take it up. You always call me up. I always address you.
एक काळाची बरी केस आहे, तुझी ऍक्शन गेला देखून तुका सांगता, म्हाका सांगपा नाका.
करता न्ही
थिंगा पडे प्रॉब्लेम जाता. हांव सांगता एक हेल्थ सेंटर पळय चलता.
ओके
मानता, पूण ते पयलींचे न्ही, ते चलोवंक जाय न्ही, नवे जायच तो.
स्पीकर सर, मान्य मंत्र्यान नदरी हाडून दिवंक सोदता. म्हाका हेजेर उलोवपा नाका जाल्यार हांव डिमांडाचेर उलयतलोच. आतां ऑस्पिशियो हॉस्पिटला बद्दल इतले सगळे फूल आसता आनी सगळें आसता. तुमी इजोरान म्हणटा तशें तेंचे CSC आहा ते सारकें चलना. तुमी आमच्या भागांनी जे ऑस्पिशियो आमकां सगळ्यांक लागताच, पूण जे आमचे PSC आसा केप्यांक तेजी जर फूल फ्लॅश 30 बेड हॉस्पिटल रेडी आसा जाल्यार काही प्रमाणात लोड कमी जाता आसलो सगळ्यांक.
हांव एकूच सांगूंक
विरोधी पक्ष नेते वो क्वेश्चन रिलेटेड आशिल्लो टू डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटल, यू कॅन आस्क इट आफ्टरवर्ड्स प्लीज.
पूण ते जर ओपन जाल्ले जाल्यार हांगा लोड कमी जाता आशिल्लो म्हणटा हांव. ते
डिमांडाच्या वेळार उलोवनी तांकां. मिस्टर तारांकीत प्रश्न क्रमांक 5 श्री विल्फ्रेड डिसा.
I may permit to ask question number 5A.
वायफे
तर सभागृहाच्या पटलावर दवरला त्याप्रमाणे.
Refer to sub-question B. Whether any school, college in the state received national award for water harvesting project. And answer melda, Speaker sir, no. In 2009, Loyola High School is the first school to receive Bhumijal Puraskar Award.
ताजें नांवूच ना मरे हातून 5 कॉलेज तें स्कूल दिसता. There is no scheme for the school. So if they have done on their own, डिपार्टमेंटाकडे स्कूल एज्युकेशन डिपार्टमेंटाकडे रेकॉर्ड आसचो ना. हांव जाय जाल्यार रिफर करून घेता. पण ही आतां 5 कॉलेजी आहा पळय तातूंत भितर एक स्पेसिफीक प्रोजेक्ट्स आहा कॉलेजीक. स्कुलाक तसो डिपार्टमेंटाचो प्रोजेक्ट ना. त्यामुळे तांच्यांनी इंडिपेंडंट केला आसत जाल्यार ताजो रेकॉर्ड आसचो ना तांचे कडेन.
Loyola High School and केलो हा.
I will take cognizance of it, I will find out. But since education department at school level do not have special projects for this, they will not have, it is an additional activity they have carried out. Record तांचेकडे आसचो ना.
Any question? दिगंबर कामत.
कॉलेजींनी केल्या ते इट्स गुड थिंग. पण म्हाका दिसता Loyola is the first school which has shown the way. They have taken initiative and they have done.
I am student of
that is why.
So I will find out.
Why don't you make some similar type of the कोणा करपा आसल्या करनी म्हणजे ॲटलिस्ट ते एनकरेज घेवन कोणी मुखार येतले. म्हणजे एक तांकां जर बेनिफीट दिवपा खातीर एक प्रोजेक्ट केलो स्कुलां खातीर. सम स्कूल 5 जाणां
कन्सिडर करता आमी.
The measures the government will take to promote water harvesting in educational institutions. What are the projects? Whether any budgetary provision is made for such projects.
Consider करता.
सांगले नाही कन्सिडर करता म्हणून सध्या ना पण कन्सिडर करता म्हणून सांगले.
तारांकित प्रश्न क्रमांक 6 श्री अलेक्सियो रेजिनाल्डो लोरेन्सो 6B.
कोणाचो अर्थ?
गोवा स्टेट कोऑपरेटिव्ह.
डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन जाता.
विचार.
सर हो पडे तुगेलो मॅनेजिंग डायरेक्टर आहा. Now, ये बँकाचे जायती चर्चा जाला. It has started when you were the opposition leader. From that time to this time, आज पासून ते बँका काय जाना. It is Apex Bank. बारीक लोकांनी तो बँक वयर काढला.
हांव उत्तर दिता टाइम ना चड त्यामुळे उत्तर डायरेक्ट
दिता बरें दी उत्तर. I have just point out.
बँक अत्यंत गंभीर
इरेग्युलरिटीज आहे. ऑफेन्स रजिस्टर झाला. त्याची सॅलरी
उत्तर आहे सॅलरी सोडून ती बँक अत्यंत डगमळीत परिस्थितीन आहा. कॅपिटल एडेक्वेसी जी आहा पळय ती तांच्या हिशोबाप्रमाणे 80 crores आहे. 88 crores. पण हांवें राव मरे हांवें ऑडिट करून घेतले इंडिपेंडंटली म्हज्या वळखीच्या ऑडिटरा कडच्यान. जे डेटा तांच्यान दिला ताज्या प्रमाणे एज ऑफ टुडे 120 crores इज कॅपिटल इन एडेक्वेसी. आमी नाबार्ड कडेन उलयल्या. नाबार्डान तितले लोन दिवपाक आमी एक 15-20 कोटी घालूं येता. नाबार्डान तितले लोन दिवपाची तयारी दाखयल्या. बँकेचे गोंयच्या पुरती बँक करपाक बिकॉज ती मल्टी स्टेट आशिल्ली करपाची प्रक्रिया म्हाका दिसता काल पयरूच कितें पूर्ण जाली अशी दिसता. जाली म्हणजे ऑर्डर इश्यू जाली काय हांव नको. आय हॅव सायन द फायल. सो वन्स द बँक बिकम्स प्युअरली गोवन बँक वील डिक्लेअर इट एज एपेक्स बँक. द बोर्ड हॅज desired to resign. They all want to resign. Some have resigned. Balance also. राव मरे पहिली ताजेर बरो कंट्री एक्सपर्ट फायनान्शियल एक्सपर्ट.
प्रश्न काळ सोंपलो.
एकूच स्पीकर सर मातसो पॉयंट क्लियर करता. खबर आहा 0 वरचो असो धरून करुया. फायनान्शियल कंट्री बरो बँकिंग सेक्टराचो नॉलेजेबल मनीस घालून ती बँक जाग्यार हाडची पडटली. कॉपरेटिव्ह ॲक्ट अमेंड करून 5 वर्सां पर्यंत ॲडमिनिस्ट्रेटर घालपाची तयारी करची पडटली. तरूच ती बँक टिकतली. अँड दिस इज नॉट इनफॅक्ट आय वूड रिक्वेस्ट द मेंबर्स टू डिस्कस द फूल इश्यू ऑफ बँकिंग ड्युरिंग द
ऑपरेटिव्ह
डिमांड.
0 or mention.